Curtis Trades here, and today we're going to look at some Viking detailing products. And we have the grit traps here, the 2-pack, and then we have the 20-pack of the multi-purpose microfiber towels. Now I'm going to show you what I think of these towels, the good, the bad, whether I think they're a good value or not. Now my initial impressions after looking at where these fit in the market in terms of price and quality, I would say that these are a really good value because they're priced a lot lower than some of the similar products and the similar quality products that are out there. So they're generally a little bit cheaper price while still maintaining a really good quality, which is what I like the best about them. So with the microfiber towels, these are edgeless microfiber towels, just multi-purpose. They have different colors here. They are the same though, even though they're different colors. The one thing I'll say about these is that they are almost like one-sided. And I don't mean this in a bad way. It's just that one side has shorter loops on it and one side has longer loops. And sometimes you might want something with a little bit longer or a little bit shorter loop depending on what product you're applying. Some products are like if you're drying, for example, or buffing, you might want a longer loop. You might want a shorter one if you're getting a product moved around on the surface. So it's not a bad thing, it's just something to note. Comparing these to some different brands, Amazon Basics, for example, are about half the price of these. The quality is not very good on the Amazon Basics though. They're not very soft, they're not edgeless. Those are the types of things you'll see with a cheaper microfiber towel. With a more expensive one, I have this one here from the Rag Company, which is a very well-known brand. I would say that these are pretty similar in terms of quality, maybe just slightly less soft and fluffy than the Rag Company. The Rag Company towels are twice as expensive though. So that's why I'm saying that these are really good value, because you can get them for half the price and almost near the quality of the Rag Company. The other thing too about the Rag Company is they have the longer loops on both sides, and these ones again have shorter loops on one side than the other. These won't be as absorbent as something with a double long loop. So just something to note. I do think these are very good. They're nice and soft. They're not going to scratch your paint up or anything like that. Very good quality for the price. If you are looking to purchase any of these Viking products, check out a link in the description. They do have some awesome other products too, like detailing brushes, for example, and a lot of other detail-oriented things. So check out their site as well. If you have any questions about these products or some of the other products that they have, definitely post those down in the comments and I can answer those for you as well. So for those of you that aren't familiar with what a grit trap does, is these are basically to help get dirt off of your wash mitts when you're washing your car. You put them down in the bottom of your bucket here. After you wash your car, you get dirt on your mitt, you want to clean your mitt off to get the dirt off of it. If you keep dirt on your mitt when you go to wash again, it can sometimes scratch your vehicle. So what you do is these go down in the bottom of your bucket, you reach down, you rub it on the grit trap, and it helps to get the dirt off, and the dirt will fall down to the bottom of the bucket. Then when you use your mitt in the water, the dirt is down towards the bottom of your bucket and you can get the cleaner water on the top. It's best to use 2 buckets, one for the dirtier water, one for the cleaner water. So you dip it and clean it off in the first one, then dip it, clean it off in the cleaner water. That way you get less contaminants on your wash mitt. And these do a really good job of what they're made for. They get the grit off of there really easy. They fit nicely in the buckets. If you want to do a 1 bucket, you can. Or what you can do is you can stack them to get even further from the bottom of your bucket, because all the dirt and grime sinks down to the bottom. They do have these nice finger holds so you can grab them easy when they're in the bottom of your bucket. That is a nice feature that I like that not all of these come with. So overall, really good product, simple design, good price as well for these. The 2-pack again is the cheapest way to get them. If you buy one, it's about $10, so you save a little bit of money with the 2-pack. These aren't super absorbent because they're not a drying microfiber, they're a multi-purpose one. These would be really awesome for applying like a wax, for example, or a ceramic spray. Overall, I'm really impressed with Viking's products. I'm sure their other products are very similar in quality and price to these. So yeah, pleasantly surprised. I've used a lot of different products, detailing and different brands, but very good brand from Viking. I'm impressed.